Ayan, good morning. Tahimik ang paligid, di kagaya kagabi. So now it's morning. Good morning all. Ayan, busy pa yung mga tao, naglilinis, cleaning and check. Hello po. Ayan. Dyan pala ginawa nila. Tapos yun. Ang ganda. Ayan ang hotel namin. Place to remember. Tapos yung mga tours. Cesar Notbu. Depan Sulay. Here. That view over there. Ayan lang. Yan yung mga clip dyan. Beach 4 kilometers.
Check the bridge.
Check the bridge. Now you do the bridge. Hello, good morning.
Pasulat na muna kayo ng pangalan.
Para saan yan?
Statistics lang po, ma'am.
Okay. We're writing.
TV ha. Iwan kami.
Ha?
More
Ayan, nag-write kami. Sino nagbisita dito? So far, ang ganda ng beach.
Ma'am, gusto niyo ng ATV, ma'am. Gusto niyo mag-book na kayo mamaya. Para
So they have...
Baka gusto niya mag-sandal.
Oh, short stay lang kami, ate. They have... pero magkano ang rent ng...
400 dyan dito ako. Pero maghapon ako yun.
Okay. If you like to stay here all day, you can rent cottages 400. But this time is 400, but we don't know in the future it will become expensive. And they have ATV for rent, 1,000. And we don't know that they have this. So it's really nice. If we know that they have this, we can try. Huh? Ay! It's good there, Remy, huh? It's cloudy, but the beach is really, really nice. Clean area. Wow. This one is paradise, Remy. just the locals. It's not like in the town proper of El Nido. So come here at Nakpan Beach. Like if you want to come here in El Nido, direct at the place where you want. Here in this beachfront, you can rent somewhere there, maybe that hotel there. And very wide. The sand area is very wide. The sun, check the sun. Pourquoi? Check Louis. Madame. Why? Why? Here is Nakpan Beach, here in El Nido. Sa ang layo-layo ng beach. Nandito pa yung dagat. Tapos ang layo-layo pa ng area. Wow. We're here in Liu Beach, El Nido, in Palawan. But he wants to eat. He's very hungry. Kira mag yoga tayo. Hello. This is our food here in Liu Beach. Fried fish, the kitong in mango sauce, and sinuglaw. Il tellement bleu. Il est tellement profond, Rémi. Okay, let's go. Bye-bye. It's Liu Beach. Yan. So, may airport doon. The bell bag! Check. May John Deere naglilinis ng lupa. Ayan si John Deere. Yan. There's a security picnic advisory John Deere. Sure. Ayan. Wow, sambalot, no? So, we're now leaving to Liu Beach. It's beautiful. There's a gym there. Ayan. This is the entrance of Las Cabanas. More shops to open. Huh? Ne. Ah?
Ganda doon ang view.
Oo.
Gusto niya,
Sarap.
sabihin mo na
Sarap maligo dito.
ma'am,
Hindi maalon.
ay hindi malam.
Hindi masyadong maalon.
Tama lang yung ano niya.
Oo.
Pwede maligo.
Ay, ang ganda. Ganda. Ayan, a beautiful morning. Ready na yung mga bangka para sa island tour dito sa El Nido. Good morning. Our breakfast here in a place to remember for today. We will have our tour. And we will have our tour today. Check, some are going already for their tour, and they will be eating fast. It's a beautiful day today. Check that. Everybody's busy preparing their boats for the tour. So we arrive here. This is, I thought we were going in the other side for the island hopping, but in this area. So a beautiful day. Wow. In El Nido. Island hopping today. Ayan. Yan.
T'as bien sur le côté, ils vont envoyer plus rien, t'as pas